Hey guys, how are you today? I wanted to film something I got from Black Friday. I got the Golden Twilight palette from BH Cosmetics and I just wanted to try it out. I got it for $3, which is pretty impressive, and I think I wanted to just do a golden look today, and I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I haven't looked at the palette or anything. The colors are on the outside, but you can't really see exactly what the shades look like or anything like that. So why don't we just get started? Alright. Oh, they're so cute. Here is what the palette looks like. It's pretty small and cute. Focus. And we've got a lot of nice golden colors, and I think that's what I'm going to do today. I think there seems to be 4 matte colors, or no. It looks like there's a satin and maybe 4 or 5 matte colors. So that's pretty good. I am just going to get started. That seems like a future lane problem. That was my magnification mirror just falling by my baseboard heater. That's great. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start. Oh, there's a little bit of kick up. So I'm going to tap off my brush a little bit. And I think I'm just going to go right in. There's this matte brown color. I don't see color names on it or anything like that, so that's a little weird, but alright, so I'm just going to go in like we do with our transition shade and our, oh, there's a little blue still left over on my brush. That's fantastic. Isn't that great? Look at that. Wow. Ugh. Oh well. There's a little mirror in this too, which I don't know, it seems to cover up my lighting. How is there still blue? You know what? We will make it work. There is a blue shade in this palette, and I think I am going to add it to the outer corner and be like, look, that's what I meant to do. That's what you do in makeup, right? Fly by the seat of your pants. Why didn't I just use a clean brush? Alright, so I'm just going to go over that with a clean brush and that same dark brown matte shade. There's still the blue there, so whatever. It's picking up on my blue veins, my blue undertones right there, so that's just great. We're just going to add that blue color later. Hey, you know what I should do? I should just brush over my eyeball itself. Anyway, there's an eye thing, whatever, on the bottom there. I don't know how long that's been there. The eyeshadows seem to be blending out pretty well. I mean, even with the leftover shadow that I had. Leftover shadows also from a BH palette, so I mean, it's like, meh. But I think I'm going to go in with a gold shade right here and just put it all over my lid. And the blue has changed up my look a little bit, but oh well. You work with what you got, right? Right? And even though I'm using a blending brush, this more glittery shade is going on so nicely. Like, surprising. Alright, I'm going to go in with this blue and just pretend like I wanted blue right here. As one does. You know, you want a darker color on your inner corner, right? right? We just pretend like our mistakes. It's like Bob Ross, they're happy little trees, right? Happy little trees. And honestly, I am already really impressed with this palette. And I think those colors actually went together very well. I think I want to deepen up a little bit on the outer corner with a more bronzy shade. And then I think, actually, I don't think I'm going to do a cut crease because these are going on so well. This video is going to be like super short because this is just going super well, aside from the fact that I personally put blue on, you know? So I'm just going to blend now with the same brush I've been using, not the one with the blue. Wow. And I know a lot of people don't like the really glittery looks all over the lid, but I've been really digging that lately. I don't know. I'm gonna go in with the gold on my finger right in the middle. Kind of like a fake halo eye cut crease. Yes. These shadows are really creamy. This gold one kind of almost reminds me of a Super Shock shadow from ColourPop. The way it's just sitting so well on top of the other colors. So, is that it? Is that it? I think I'm going to deepen it up with a little bit of purple on the outside. Just a little bit. Because it can't be that easy. It can't be. Can it? Oh, that was a good idea. Good idea. I'm smoking out that purple now. This is a matte purple. I'm smoking it out into my highlight, which is just starts right here. And I'm using the same BH Cosmetics brush. It's just a highlight brush this whole time. Just a big, I can't remember what I said, a big fluffy brush. Can't remember what I said earlier. There we go. I like that. And then we're just gonna smoke it on out. Lift up, because this eye likes to water, so I don't want to touch my eye as much as I possibly can. Can you focus on me and not that drawer? This one seems to be a little smudgy, but that's just because I've added a matte over a shimmer, and it's just the little shimmer particles showing up on the texture of my skin. That's all you're seeing. It's nothing to do with the shadow itself. Cool. That's nice. Going all the way into my highlight. I've been really enjoying that. I'm not really sure why, but I think it gives me a nice cohesive point to stop and to blend. I don't know. So I think this might be the finished look. All I did was use this color in the middle, this on the outside, this is that color I just smoked out, this was the transition shade, and I think I'm going to go up and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this right here. But honestly, this has been like, hello? Hello? Thank you. This has been the easiest flyby review I've done. Like, just pop it open and make a look. Even though I accidentally added blue, I think that's what the look needed, to be honest. It made it a little more complex, which I've been steering away from lately. I don't know why, but I don't know why I'm putting this away. I need to smoke out the bottom in a little bit, but for right now, this is what we've got, and I think I'm going to put some eyeliner and some lashes on, and I will be right back.
She's been talking a lot recently about the love of the Extra Mascara line, and I agree. I had like the affair with Lash Princess for so long. Great mascara. She was saying how much she loved this one in particular, and this one was her favorite. Ooh, do you guys see that? Oh, it looks so good. They look really fluffy and black and dramatic, and I've only done one coat. Oh, this is promising. I love when you find a mascara that works.
And here we have the finished look. I just used the Lucky lashes from Glamnetic. They are magnetic lashes. They went on super fast. If you want to see a review, I can link it down below. The palette itself, I am really impressed with this. The gold shadow specifically went on like a super shock shadow, and if you don't know what that is, it's more of like a creamy shadow that goes on really easily, so easily that usually I don't have to do a cut crease, like add concealer underneath. So honestly, I think the quality of these shadows, I got this for $3 on Black Friday, and I really do think that this palette is super worth it. BH comes out with products that are super great, super high quality, everything like that. So if you are interested in tutorials like this on palettes that aren't necessarily new, that might not have been released super recently, I'm definitely interested in that. Drop a like button, you know, give a like button. Drop a like down below if you do want to see more videos like this. I know that not everyone can get the newest stuff, so I mean, I'm willing to just review what I have, and I'm perfectly happy doing that. If you want to subscribe, do it. If not, I mean, you don't have to, but that's a little hurtful, but whatever. Just thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching.